This video shows how to ingest data from Google's BigQuery into DataRobot. For organizations using GCP Ecosystem, DataRobot provides easy access to data residing in BigQuery for machine learning initiatives. In order to ingest data from BigQuery, we would need certain prerequisites. We would need a service account in GCP and the credentials JSON file that comes along with it. This will help DataRobot authenticate with Google Cloud Platform and connect to BigQuery tables. The method that we will be using is JDBC URL, and the example URL is seen below. The GCP service account JSON file looks like this. We'll use the values from this file to populate our JDBC URL. A JDBC URL should look like this after populating the values. For open authentication private key, just copy paste the whole content of the JSON file without any new line characters into the URL. Now that we have our JDBC URL ready, we can connect to BigQuery from DataRobot. Select Data Connections, add a new data connection, My Drivers, select the driver, paste our URL, and add connection. The connection has been created. Let's go ahead and test it. Since we have already passed the credentials in the URL itself, we can give anything here. And our connection is successful. Let's go ahead to the next step. In AI Catalog, add to catalog existing data connection, now DataRobot is connecting to BigQuery and trying to pull in the list of tables and schemas. Here is our schema. Let's go ahead and select the table. And select the table and proceed with registration. DataRobot is now pulling the data from BigQuery into AI Catalog. And the BigQuery table is ingested into DataRobot and available for modeling or predictions. Let us see how we can do the same using DataRobot's Python API. We connect to DataRobot. We create our JDBC URL, create our credentials, select the BigQuery JDBC URL driver, create the data source, test the connection, send in query to the connection, and ask DataRobot to pull in the data.